5 and 6 want us to find the measure of the missing angle. So let's look at number 5. We have two angles here. One we know, one we don't know. But we also know that together, if we add them up, they equal 90 degrees because this is a 90-degree angle. So these are actually complementary angles. So all we need to do is take 90 degrees, which is the total, and subtract 32 degrees, which is from here to here, and then that will get us 58 degrees, which is this measurement. So 58 degrees will be our answer. Number 6 is similar. We have one angle that we know, one angle that we don't know, but on this one, the two angles add up to be 180 degrees. So these are supplementary angles. So what we need to do is we need to take 180 degrees and subtract 43. So 180 is the entire angle. Subtract the 43, that's from here to here, and that will get you the missing angle. And that's going to be 137 degrees.